Introducing the Touchstone Sideline Smart Electric Fireplace, a remarkable fusion of elegance and technology. With its stunning three-sided design, versatile installation options, and a wealth of customizable features, this 72-inch electric fireplace is poised to transform any living space into a cozy haven. From its adjustable heat settings and mesmerizing flame options to its smart capabilities, safety features, and complete accessory package, this fireplace promises to elevate your home's ambience and functionality. Join us on a journey to explore the myriad reasons why this fireplace is a standout choice for those seeking both warmth and style. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Impressive three-sided design. This electric fireplace is a showstopper with its three-sided design, featuring see-through glass on the front and sides. The 72-inch model offers a stunning and immersive visual experience, making it a focal point in any room. Number 2. Versatile installation options. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its installation flexibility. You have 4 installation options to choose from. You can showcase all 3 glass sides, have the left or right side visible, or opt for a front-only visible configuration. Number 3. Adjustable heat settings. This electric fireplace offers 2 heat settings, low and high, 750 watts/1500 watts. It also comes equipped with a thermometer that allows you to set your desired room temperature between 68-88 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you stay cozy and comfortable. Number 4. Customizable flames and media bed. Enhancing the ambience further, this fireplace offers a wide range of customization options. You can choose from 6 flame colors and 10 media bed color options, allowing you to match the fireplace's aesthetics to your room's decor. Number 5. Adjustable flame speed and timer. With 3 flame speeds and a timer that can be set for up to 8 hours, you have full control over the dynamics of the flames. Adjust the speed to match your mood and set the timer for convenience, whether it's for a cozy evening or a special occasion. Number 6. Plug-in or hardwired installation. You have the choice between a plug-in installation or hiring a professional to hardwire the unit. This flexibility ensures that you can seamlessly integrate the fireplace into your space, whether you're renovating or simply looking to add an elegant touch to your room. Number 7. Smart and convenient. This electric fireplace takes convenience to the next level. It's Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with smartphones, allowing you to control it using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. You can effortlessly turn it on or off with voice commands, making it a modern and convenient addition to your smart home. Number 8. Complete package. This fireplace comes complete with a log set, clear and black crystals, a touchscreen, and a remote control. The inclusion of these accessories ensures that you have everything you need to set up and enjoy your fireplace right away, without the need for additional purchases. Number 9. Cool-to-touch glass display. Safety is paramount, and this electric fireplace features a built-in heater that adds coziness to your room while keeping the glass display cool to the touch. There's no need for venting, providing the ambience of a gas or wood-burning fireplace without the associated maintenance and safety concerns. Number 10. High-quality specifications. This electric fireplace is built with quality in mind. It has a power output of 5120 British thermal units, capable of heating up to 400 square feet of living space. The combination of wood and glass materials, along with a sleek glass and black steel finish, adds a touch of modern sophistication to any room. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 8 inches depth by 72 inches width by 17.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Stunning 3-sided design for a captivating visual experience. Versatile installation options to suit your room's layout. Adjustable heat settings with a built-in thermometer. Customizable flame and media bed colors and intensities. One reason not to buy. Large size may not fit in smaller rooms. Conclusion. The Touchstone Sideline Smart Electric Fireplace offers a blend of style, convenience, and functionality. With its three-sided design, customizable features, and smart capabilities, it's a fantastic addition to any living space, providing both warmth and visual appeal. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.